Hey guys, this is Shikha and welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to share a DIY hair oil recipe which is all natural using only 2 ingredients which is very easily available. So yeah, first thing first, you want to melt the coconut oil either in a microwave for 15-20 seconds or on stovetop. Next up, I'm going to take a rosemary stem and pull out all the leaves from the stem, and you will be left with something like this. And there are so many benefits of rosemary, like it stimulates hair growth and also mitigates hair loss. Then in a small blending jar, add the melted coconut oil and rosemary leaves and blend until the paste becomes smooth. You can also increase the amount of oil if you wish to reach this consistency after blending. Then you want to leave this mixture for about 30 to 40 minutes, the more the better, so that all the rosemary gets nicely infused in the oil. So after that, you want to take a strainer, and I'm straining the oil using a spoon, and I'm going to press the mixture to get all the oil out, because why to waste the good stuff? So yeah, you will be left with the green colored oil which looks something like this, and trust me, this smells amazing. And then I'm going to brush my hair and apply the oil all over my scalp, focusing on the roots. And yes, do not forget the ends, because the ends tend to get dry, which in turn causes the split ends. And after the application, I'm going to tie my hair and leave it for about 30 to 40 minutes. And I have oily scalp, so I leave any treatment for maximum of 1 hour. But if in case you want to leave it for longer, you can totally do that. So while waiting, I decided to go through few pages of this book and drink my smoothie for today. And yes, I'm drinking it in my Starbucks cup to make myself feel a little better. Yeah, I do some weird stuff. Okay, so yeah, I went through quite a lot of books in last couple of months, and I'm planning on doing a video on that as well, so stay tuned for that. Okay guys, so I am back, and this is how my hair looks like after the mask, and I'm pretty happy with the results because my hair is much smoother, softer, and much better as compared to earlier. So I kept the mask on for about 30 to 40 minutes, and I just washed it off, and I used my favorite shampoo and conditioner, and this one is from Calia Naturals, and these are all natural. There is no sulfates, no parabens, and no artificial stuff whatsoever, and I have been using this from past, I guess, 2 years, and this one is my favorite. So if you want to check the full review out for this shampoo and conditioner, I have done a pretty embarrassing video in past, and I will link it above for you guys, so please go ahead and have a look. And also I have a coupon code if you guys want to check that out, so I will leave that coupon code in my description box down below. I believe doing a DIY hair mask and hair oiling does make a difference in the quality of your hair, but you are not going to see the results overnight. You have to be consistent with it, and trust me, you will be amazed by the results in long term. Also, I have done so many videos in past regarding many DIY hair masks, so I will have it linked in the description box down below for you guys, so that you can go ahead and have a look. And yeah, that's all for today's video. I really hope you enjoyed watching this video, and if you did so, don't forget to hit like and subscribe, and also don't forget to check my Instagram, because I share a lot of home remedies and different healthy eating stuff over my Instagram, so I think you will be interested in that as well. And I'll see you guys next time. Until then, bye.